So for the Develop Your Skills 5-1, we are going to go to our test drive account. So qbo.intuit.com/redir/test drive. It will take you to Craig's Design and Landscaping, our sample company. We're going to use this test drive for the entire chapter. So once that loads, we're going to scroll down to bank accounts here and then checking in the accounts section. Notice that there are 25 transactions right here that say they need reviewed. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Again, you can see the 25 right here that says we need to match those transactions or add them to our checking account register. So notice we have some uncategorized expenses and incomes marked right here. So that just tells us that QuickBooks Online didn't find a match because this transaction has not been recorded in QuickBooks Online, or a match was just not found. So here are 4 examples of that right at the top. We are being asked to click anywhere on the A rental row where $800 was spent. So right here's that $800. We're going to click on that. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so we can see it. We are going to change the category from uncategorized expense to equipment rental. So just start typing and equipment rental will pop up. QuickBooks in the book tells us to notice that the other A rental entry is going to also change from uncategorized expense to equipment rental. A rental will now use the equipment rental as the account type because QuickBooks Online learns to categorize transactions automatically. There is a way, if you don't want to permanently categorize a rental this way, you can click the create rule at the bottom to change that. But we're going to, for this exercise, just leave it the same. So we're going to click add right here. So this adds the banking transaction into the QuickBooks Online checking account register as a equipment rental expense. So notice this one actually changed automatically for us. So next we're going to click add on this row right here with equipment rental where $1,200 was spent. So we're going to click add right there. So this transaction is going to be added to our register in QuickBooks Online. Again, it's going to remember previous spent transaction and suggest the equipment rental category for all of those. So we're going to create this rule for it to auto add those for us. Next thing we're going to do is learn how to match transactions. So the green one record icon indicates a definite match in QuickBooks Online, while the white records found indicates one or more transactions could be a potential match. So we are going to scroll down to the PGE transaction. So right here's PGE transaction. If we look at that, we have one record found, so it's matched it for us. It has already been recorded as a bill payment to PG&E for $114.09. We're going to click match in the action menu. And now we're going to go to the register. So it's changed a little bit. Now it says go to bank register. And we're going to notice that the 2 transactions for a rental are recorded in the register with a stacked square icon. So right up here at the top is that expense, this little double stacked block. So I guess the textbook calls it the stacked square icon. That icon indicates that these have been manually added from the bank feeds. And a C above that, so right here's this little C, means that the bank has cleared the transaction through the bank feed. To finish up the Develop Your Skills 5-1, we're going to just return to the dashboard.